What's up, everybody? This is MD Kepner, and today we're going to take a look at the Fallout 3 dual-core and multi-core fix. What this does, it fixes frequent lockups and or crash-to-desktop issues if you're running on a dual-core or multi-core processor. Now, in my case, I am running an i7-4770K processor, and I have not had to implement this fix, but I have seen a lot of people who are running into issues with frequent lockups and crash-to-desktop issues, which this may resolve. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Fallout 3 folder where your user-specified files are located. This is not your Steam library or your browse local content location that you get to in Steam. The default location for this folder is My Documents, My Games, Fallout 3. As you can see, we've got the saves location, Fallout, Fallout Prefs, and there could be some other text files in there, but they're irrelevant at this point. What we want is the Fallout file, all capital letters. The first thing that I recommend doing is making a backup of the file, as if this fix does not correct the issue, that way you can always revert to the backup without having to edit it. So let's go ahead and make a backup of that. Now go ahead and open the Fallout INI file. We've got this one right here, and as you can see, I've got it open. What we're going to do is we are going to modify two lines if they exist, or add them if they do not. First thing that we want to do is we're going to look for use threaded AI in the general section. As you can see, I've got it here located in my file already, so I don't need to add it, but what I do need to do to implement this fix is change that 0 to a 1. Now the next thing that we want to look for is inumHW threads. We're not finding it in the file, so what that means is to implement this fix, we're going to need to add that line. So let's go ahead here to where we edited use threaded AI1, just going to add a new line. There we go, and we want this to equal 2. This is going to limit the number of processors that the game can run on to 2. Alright, now that we've got those changes made, go ahead and select File, save the file, and launch the game. In most cases, this will resolve these two problems if you're running into a dual-core or multi-core processor issue. If you're still experiencing the issue, change the inumHW threads to 1 instead of 2. Now, if this doesn't resolve your problem, then it's not going to be a dual-core or multi-core processor issue, and I would just revert back to the Fallout INI backup that we made earlier, as then you can continue to troubleshoot your issue from another angle. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. I'm going to try and put these steps into the description field. That way you've got everything nice and listed out without being in the video. Hopefully this takes care of the issue for you. If you run into any other problems, like I said, let me know in the comments field below. And as always, thanks for watching.